Hello everyone, my name is Landry with the YouTube channel Leedership. In this video, we will be discussing how to increase diversity in a group. First, we have to ask ourselves the question, what is diversity? Well, it can be a very big range of things, including gender, race, age, physical appearance, health, education, family structure, friendships, geographic location, occupation, language, heritage, belief system, religion, and traditions. All of these different types of diversity are going to impact how a person views the world. This means that diversity is going to be impacting one's values. This can bring us to the question, how do you actually respond to someone that has different values than you? In a group, you will encounter people with different values, but do keep in mind that everyone will share some values. Appreciate those shared values, but also respect your differences. Make sure you use the golden rule. Treat others the way you want to be treated, and this will apply to how you treat others with your different values. Now on to the actual topic of the video. How do you increase diversity in a group? We're going to be using what's called the R.O.P.E method. This is reach out, organize, practice, and experience. First, let's talk about the R of R.O.P.E, reach out. Reaching out is when you're actually asking people to join. Many people would join if they were actually asked by someone. You want to look for people who are different than you, such as different ethnicity, different backgrounds, and different cultures. You also want to make sure that you're asking someone on a one-on-one basis, not just a big, oh, hey, Facebook post, anybody want to join this group? No, you want to make sure it's an individualized, you're going to go up to them, generally in person, and ask them to join. Next, we have the O of R.O.P.E, organize. Organize is when you're trying to deliver the promises of the group, and make the people that you just invited to your group feel welcome inside of it. This is when you're going to be taking advantage of the strengths of the differences that are added into the group. The P of R.O.P.E is practice. Practice is when you're going to want to use your leadership skills to actively engage with the group and get people engaged inside of the group, especially the people that you have recently added that are from diverse backgrounds. You're also going to want to make sure that these new people are involved in your vision and your goals of the group. The final letter of R.O.P.E, is experience. Experience is the best teacher, and you're going to want to use that to your advantage. Remember that the others in your group make your experience, and this goes for everyone. So you want to surround yourself with a diverse group of people, and other people are going to want to surround themselves with a diverse group of people to make the experience the best it can possibly be. Let's have a quick review. R.O.P.E stands for reach out, organize, practice, and experience. And it is an effective way to increase the diversity in a group. One final thing I challenge you to keep in mind when trying to increase diversity in a group is to think about why you joined that particular group. If you keep that in mind and you try and implement it when recruiting other people, it can be very effective in helping aid you when using the R.O.P.E method. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to see more of our content. See you in the next one.